cheated. Oh, he thinks you cheated. No, we didn't cheat. Sassy, just used her brain. Oh. So it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys? Alam mo ba ang sinasabi between the princess and her cow?
Yay!
Parrots are particularly known to be intelligent, productive. That's why you continue to enhance your skills and not get bored. So here's Sassy once again. Everything will show up how intelligent he is by putting the shade back to its correct slot. Just like Sassy, Greenwing Pakos are from South America. They are known to be the gentle giants of the parrot family. It is because they are the Xenolargia next to the highest in Pakos. They can grow up to 92 centimeters in length and can be up to 8 years old. Scientific name is Arachnoptera. They usually eat on seeds, nuts, stalks, and minerals along the river bank. And for the last thing, go Sassy girl. And there you go, intelligent rabbit of her Sassy. You did her job. Now guys, who loves math? Everyone here knows addition, right? Well, this next part, do you think birds can do math? But before we learn natin mga wizard, I'll be two numbers between 1 to 15. So any number 1 to 15? 7. Okay, so the first number will be number 7. How about the second number? Okay, 16. Okay, so the second number will be number 16. So the equation is 16 plus 7. Let's see for mathematical wizard and multiplication. But first, trainer Gigi will shuffle the numbers. Now, let's partner. Happy Pato. What's the Rocky? Trainer search strong ready. Go Rocky. Go Rocky. For us. 16 plus 7. And Rocky gets the first number correct. How about the second number? After the second number, Rocky. Well, Rocky has number 16 plus 7. They're still calculating. Okay, and if you know the answer. And Rocky gets good number 3. So, 16 plus 7 is 2. Let's see. How about for Rocky? This is your turn.
Very good si Rocky, no?
For this time, I need an adult volunteer with 500 pesos. Once again, an adult volunteer with 500 pesos. Just raise your hand and trainer first will choose one. An adult with 500 pesos. Okay, you got one. So please join me in speech. You will notice the birds in the show are mostly parrots. It is because they are highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and usefully designed. They have a good memory, and they can remember even the smallest details. Okay, let's wait for our volunteer. Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Manila Ocean Bar. Sir, what is your name? How about the volunteer? Sir Shane. Welcome, let's call it our body bird. Buddy. Buddy, so for our workshop, activity. Sir, are you ready? Better be the circle. Buddy. Body, right over. What you gonna do, buddy? And what's next? He gets some money. And he flies back. And I think Bobby will donate the money. A round of applause for Lord. Sir, before you go, I have a question for you. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also rescue center?
Oh.
Well, your money will go a long way. We are very grateful. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, how about 1,000 pesos on the line? No more. Sir Shane. Sir, excuse me, are you okay? Are you sure? You look so sad. Sir Shane, please come up here. We're just kidding. It's just part of the show. Come on, let's get her the money. Okay.
pagkaon.
We would like to show you another third gift of the lotion bar. Bird spray also known as practice, hot and used by other animals. The third